You know, guys, what bothers me the most about our whole like getting clients online, like making money that way, online info space, is that every so-called guru claims to have the one, the only strategy that if you follow that only, you'll get to your end destination, right? Which for most of our people is getting to the first $10,000 per month. And I understand why they're doing it, why they're doing this, right? Because if you're selling a specific strategy, you have to be full of yourself, right? And by all means, like I really believe and I really stand behind everything that we do. But I've been in the industry now for many years. I've helped our clients generate multiple millions in revenue, dollars, by the way, US dollars. And I just learned that it all fucking works. Every strategy works. So let me give you two examples for that. So the first one has to do with our two of our business mentors. Like they run a very similar business in the info space. Both are doing more than $1 million in profit every single month. Yet their funnel is just vastly different. One runs a very sales call heavy funnel, and the other one doesn't do any sales calls, any sales chat, any sales conversations. So to me, that shows that at that level, it's both fucking possible, right? They're just showing it month over month in real time. The other example here is, guys, is our own evolution. So with our businesses, like me and my business partner, we have had multiple businesses prior to this one. We've made multiple six figures in profit with sales calls. We have made multiple six figures in profit with DM chats or closes through like conversations. And now, since a few months, we even got rid of our sales team and we made well over six figures already in profit with a very hands-off sales approach. So why am I sharing, guys? Well, why am I sharing like all these methods, right? Like what's the tangible, actionable value in that? Now, in this video, I'm not going to present you one single way, right? Because that's, like I said, there is a argument to make for every fucking strategy, like paid ads, sales calls, affiliate marketing, whatever, right? But what I can do is I can give you the three, and I will give you the three main things that all of our best clients do. And by now we worked with over 200 founders. We help them really get traction on LinkedIn, like over $3 million in client revenue. But there are three things that I just analyzed the data and I saw that all of these clients, they do these three things to get to their first $10,000 per month. So in this video, I'm going to break them down one by one. And the first one, guys, here is the first one is very, very important. Obviously, that's why I put it at first. But they fixed their positioning before they fixed the content. So before they started working with us, they were very much focused on execution. More content, more formats, download more templates, more GPTs, whatever, right? You might find yourself in this boat. But if your positioning is off, guys, and I will expand on this in a second because I know it's a fancy thrown around word, but if your positioning is off, nothing really works down the line. Not your content, not your messaging, not your sales conversations. And again, you might be in this boat, so pay attention here. With your positioning, it's just a very fancy way of who you help, what problem you solve, and how you deliver it. Like I've talked about this topic countless of times on my channel so far. So if this is not your first video, you might familiar with what I'm about to say, right? But it's just a very simple way. Like, okay, who do you serve? Like, what target audience is the coach, the consultant, the founder? Like, who? Like, be specific, but you have to be directionally right. Second of all, this is the bigger one because that's literally what lets people come to you. What's the problem you solve? Because in the beginning, you might not be able to say, hey, I am working with these people, but you're very clear on what problem you solve, right? And then the last one is how you deliver it. Is it one-on-one, group, done for you, like whatever is the flavor, right? So one of our guys, Julius, he was posting in the void for 6 months plus, done all the things that the so-called gurus told him, posting more, engaging more, commenting more, sending more cold outreaches, pretty gassed, easy, right? And then I was like, yo, let's fix your positioning first, because if it's not clear for the market who you help, a problem you solve, and how you deliver it, no one is gonna fucking reply to the messages. No one is gonna fucking like engage with your content because it's unclear, right? And if you confuse, you lose. So we dialed in his positioning. 1 week later, leads started coming in. A few months later, he signed 6 of his dream clients, got to his first $10,000 per month, and he was like, wow, it can be that simple. And honestly, he's working less on content and LinkedIn right now than prior. So that's the first one, guys. The second thing here, and this is super fucking important across all of our clients. And in fact, this is, besides the positioning, something we start with all of our clients in the first period, is we pick one offer at one price and we stop negotiating. So the majority of our clients, when they come to us, they have a bunch of different offers, like done for you here, consulting there, a project there, some hands-off work there, and they tell themselves, it's like, oh yeah, because it's all in the same direction, I can do this. Otherwise, I'm leaving money on the table. But what if I told you that actually by you and just keeping this distraction in place, you're leaving money on the table because you can't go all in on one offer, structurize things, get yourself out of delivery. That's a context for like a topic for a different day, but you don't want to spread yourself thin because I'm 95% certain that you watching this video, you're a solopreneur, right? Perhaps you have a contractor working for you, but you're certainly not a team. But otherwise, you would be watching this video. I can be wrong, but this is more like for solopreneurs, right? So you don't want to do 5 different things, even though it's a similar like target audience and all this stuff. Like, how do I know? Well, first of all, I've done it myself, run multiple different offers, like felt very busy, revenue was not displaying that effort, right? Once we dialed in on one offer, damn, revenue exploded, delivery became much easier. And now, only because we're in a scaling phase, we can add different flavors of the same offer. But don't copy what I do, like do what I tell you to, right? Because we're at different stages of business. Like, you're trying to get to your first $10,000 per month, right? So make sure that you dial in one offer at one price and stop negotiating, because you might find yourself in this endless going back and forth with prospects negotiating on price, right? But if you don't set a price from the get-go, your prospect might feel the wiggle room to like, hey, can you do it for this? Can you do it for that? I'm sure that sounds familiar, right? So one of our guys, Laszlo, he was doing these things. He was having a client here, a client there, different projects, like some different ICPs, and he was telling himself like, oh yeah, I can handle this. But when I sat down, I'm like, yo, bro, how do you feel about this? He's like, bro, I'm capped in energy and in time, and I'm like, I'm making money, but I don't want to do this anymore. So we dialed in his offer, one ICP, one problem he solved. 30 days later, he signed 4 clients, and again, he got to his first $10,000 month. And he was like, wow, I was so close, but also so far away. And by just dialing in his offer, making sure we eliminated most of the distractions, he just got clarity in his acquisition process, his sales process, his content became more dialed in, and most foremost, like his delivery became so much easier. So he was able to just deliver all these new clients, and he was making more money than ever before, right? So let me sip my coffee. And then the last thing, guys, the number 3 thing on this list of all of our like most successful clients do is that they build a system to stop relying on like referrals and outreach and all these things. So this is what I all talk about. Like, LinkedIn is a system. Like, I talk a lot about LinkedIn because we have the biggest exposure, the biggest brand there, but it's not all that we do, right? LinkedIn is just a vehicle. Same as that other gurus are the so-called whatever experts. They talk about growing a business using LinkedIn or Instagram or ads, whatever the vehicle is, right? But we use LinkedIn. And you just want to approach LinkedIn from that perspective. Like, it's a system. Like, you do a defined set of inputs, 3 to 4 posts a week, 20 minutes of outreach to a specific set of people, and 20 minutes of like following up, and then 20 minutes of like connecting with the right people, right? So in 60 minutes per day, you can do that. Your content you do once a week, right? You are a business owner, perhaps from a small, tiny business, but you're not a full-time content creator. You're not a full-time influencer. No, you're using content to grow your business. Like, I started back in the day as a content creator, but now I'm a business owner using content to grow our business and businesses in the future, right? It's just a vehicle. It's just an acquisition channel. Like, I put out content, people come to us, right? It's just same as like admin, finance, client delivery. Like, content and marketing is just a task on my to-do list, and the same for you. Like, sure, in the beginning you might spend more time on it, but that's exactly why all of our clients in the program, we give them tools, specific AI tools with Claude, with GPT, with Nano Banana, specific workflows that are super fucking simple to install. They run it, and content creation comes down from, like, one of our guys, like Nicholas, he spent like 7 hours per week on content. We got it down to 1 hour per week. And not only that, with his first launch of the news group program, he made $32,000 and $600, $32,000 $600 or something, filled out his group program. After that, he scaled to 10 to 20K months with just 45 minutes of LinkedIn a day. Coming from 7 hours per week, he was just like, wow, man, I'm just getting all this time back. Like he was spending 7 hours per week on just content, and then we got it down on 45 minutes per day, right? Which is pretty fucking sick. And not only that, he made so much more money in the process. So again, ask yourself, do you want to be busy or do you want to be making more money, right? So with all of this, guys, like what we do within our Authority Figures program, we help our clients get to $10,000 first. After that, we can scale more. Some of our private clients, we go to 20, 30K. But the main objective, the main mission we're on is we're helping you get to inconsistent revenue to $10,000 selling your expertise. Like we use LinkedIn, we use some email. For some of our clients, we even use some YouTube. But if you find that interesting and you want to know more, check out the link in the description, take you to a page, and you can already join for a few $100 per month, cancel anytime. So again, what is the risk? Like we help you get to $10,000 per month, and we only ask for a small investment of a few $100. So if that sounds interesting to you, hit the button in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next, guys. Cheers.